Mandalay Bay. We're gonna go test our luck at Mandalay Bay.
We're going to Mars. Place here permanently.
You want to go to the Swingers Club? We are at Jumanji. He's got his new player's card in there. We got 2-cent denom, $2 bets. He's gonna be pressing the buttons. Here we go.
Points.
Free games. Come on, free games. Burst it. Burst it.
Rattle the coin.
Line pay. Nice. Oh. Wild? Oh, turned into a wild. Nice. What's happening? It would have been nice. I think we need 6 of those, I think. I usually don't play this game. Reina plays this game. Wheel. I think you need 3 of those.
That'd be really cool.
Oh, that was kind of cheesy. 2. Come on, get 3 wheels. Free games.
Free game.
Yeah,
You have to get 3 of them?
yeah, I gotta get 3 of them. One more. Oh no, that's a wheel.
What about all those rocks?
They gotta line up from the left. Free games. There's 2 of them.
Player's card, first attempt. Tell us a lot.
Turn it into a free game. That's a wild. Wild.
Okay.
There we go. $7. Your fingers aren't working this time, brother.
Well, we are back on the strip.
Yeah, you're right. The game has evolved.
Okay.
Go.
What does that mean?
Nothing. We didn't get it.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna go down to 1-cent denom now. $1 bet. Go for it. Ah.
First. Man.
This game is a little chicken ass tight. Wild. Oh, elephant time. Elephantitis. Okay. Wheel. One more. One more. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Right? Got excited. Oh. No. It's coming, I feel it.
Oh.
Get the monkey one. Alright, let's try to go 5 cent denom, 250 bet. Go for it. Wilds. Alright.
We need a burst.
That's right. More wilds. Oh, only those two, huh? Yeah, this is a good denomination. We'll see if it happens. Okay. Wow.
20.
Wilds. Wasted wilds on the right. More than halfway through.
It's running a little dry.
Yeah, it is.
It's not as much activity right now.
Nope. Some will happen soon.
You just keep going? Yeah, 'cause you already went this far.
Yeah. We've invested enough. Let's just keep going until we get a bonus. Let's not give up. It's a jungle in here.
And the wheels. You must save Jumanji. Give us a burst.
Snaps. Jeez. This game is just take.
Yeah. There's not a lot of
Alright, watch this. You ready? We're gonna do fast spins all the way down. Here we go. That's it, everybody. Well, this game sucks. First spin, first card player sucks. It's $116.
not a good start so far.
No, not here. We are playing Triple Supreme by Aristocrat. Haven't played this before. Never seen this game before. We got $100 in there, and we're starting off with 88 cents. Here we go. Ooh, 5. Oh, bonus round. I don't know what's going on. Free games.
Two players card.
Good fortune.
Good fortune.
I think Jumanji just like somebody just passed out.
Yeah.
150 on the back.
We're at the lowest bet possible too. Let's see how much it pays. We already won our bet back, so let's do the mystery.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh my god. 3 spins, bro. We got the worst one.
15.
Oh, we got another holding spin. Oh, we got a bonus and a bonus.
That seems like
Nice.
he's looking up.
Let's see. Holding spin. Boom. Here we go.
40 wins. We need the 40 wins. 40.
Oh, jackpot. What is it, jackpot? I don't know what a jackpot is. Collected. Jackpot must be one of those up there. Oh, 25 collected. All right.
On the road to 40.
Get another jackpot. Hey, this is getting kind of close.
This player's card.
Yeah. Boom. There we go. Get some more. Come on. Save it. Save it. Here we go. Last spin. Boom. Didn't save. We got the mini for $10. So $48 on that bonus round. For 88-cent bet, that's really good.
Cash out.
We're not even done yet. We got one more spin.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Then you hit cash out.
Here we go. Last spin.
$58 win.
Oh, $59. Hey, hit cash out and run.
Yeah.
All right.
$60 win on the new
Right.
card.
Right. Good deal. Cash out. Nice game. Nice game. Here we go, everybody. Mega Bucks. His chance to win $11 million. Think it's gonna happen?
Definitely.
Max bet. We have the $150 in there. Go for it. Max bet's $5. That's cool. Let's play $5. Go for it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Until we get a good line pay. One more. One more. Dude, that would have been a bonus round. Go for it. Let's play this until we get a good line pay. $5 back. Bonus. $5 back. At least you're getting your money back. Red hot. 7. That didn't line up. Red hot. Ooh, $5. I thought that was something exciting.
Yeah, that would have been sick.
$10. Okay. Red hot. $5 back. At least you're getting some money back. Like, you're not losing.
We're hitting the red hot all the time.
Bonus. Bigger bucks. Oh, $6 back. So if you get the mega bucks, you see this right here? You get 20,000 credits.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Let's see if we get a good line pay. Red, oh, $22.
Isn't that doesn't count for all three?
Well, you got 777, right?
$20 is the 40 credits.
Yeah, it's the credits.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's get another one. Let's get above 160 and we'll cash out. We're at 151. We're just playing it. Go for
Cash
it.
out on?
That's how much we put in. We put 156. Another good line pay. Red hot.
Oh, yeah. Mega bucks.
Bonus.
$10.
We're at 141. Red hot. I say we stop at 100 if we don't get anything.
$10. A lot of wins, man.
Wins and money back.
Yeah.
Red hot. Get the bonus. See the bonus. Bonus. Ah.
Man.
Rip. Rip hard. Alright, 4 more spins. Bonus. 3 more spins. 1 more. 1 more. 1 more.
Man.
2 more spins. Last spin. Last spin. We're trying to get a good one. 2 more spins. We're still trying to get a good one. Bonus. Oh, okay, last one. Here we go. Let's come on this one right now. Here it is. Here it is. Nope. That was fun.
You know?
Yep. So we made an executive decision that we're going to be done here, Mandalay Bay. We're going to go over to Luxor. Our luck here was it's all right, not bad.
Yeah, it wasn't a little.
We're just here trying to get him some points so he can get some room comps. So follow us on the next episode. We're going to Luxor.